dwi'n falch ac wrth fy modd i fod yma gyda chi heddiw i ddathlu lansiad addysg Oedolion Cymru Adult Learning Wales ac i gymryd eiliad i rannu'r gwaith ragorol sydd wedi bod yn ffocws ac yn angerdd y gymaint o bobl ar draws yn sefydliad. Pan rydym yn ystrediad ein thema yn heddiw, sef dallu ein sefydliad ac ar ei newydd uno, rydym i'n cydnabod pa mor gryf yw ein sefyllfa a adeiladu ar waith dar sefydliadau, blaenorol WA Cymru, Coleg Harlech a Choleg Cymunedol YMCA. Rydym yn parhau i ymroi am rwyddio ystod eang o'r addysg o ansawdd uchel mwyn cefnogi dysgu gyda oes, cyflog dywydd ac datblygu sgiliau. Ein disgwyr yn y gorffennol, y presennol a'r dyfodol yw rheswm dros ein bodolaeth a reswm am ei llwyddiant yw ei doniau a'i hymdrechion ei hunan, ond ni fydda llwyddiant o fath yn bosibl heb ymroddiant rwydwaith fawr o bobl gefnogol yn ein sefydliad. Mae'r amser a'r ymdrech sy'n cael ei roi gan ein staff, ein llwydroddwyr, ein haelodau, ein gwirfoddolwyr, ein partneriaid yn ein galluogi ei ddarparu cyfleoedd, dysgu sy'n newid bywydau 18,000 o oedolion ym mob cwr o Gymru bob blwyddyn. Our organisation is now firmly established as the largest all-Wales provider of and voluntary movement for adult learning. We provide access to education from pre-entry level learning to level 4 qualifications. The learning opportunities offered by Addysg Oedolion Cymru Adult Learning Wales are for adults from all backgrounds, with particular focus on those who have missed out on learning. We specialise in providing opportunities in the community and the workplace, and we work in partnership with local, regional and national bodies in the statutory, private and third sector across Wales. Our development of open badge digital technology is considered as sector leading, and our participation at 3 national conferences in Wales in recent weeks has allowed important dissemination work to be undertaken. Our access courses to support progression to university have been very successful. All of our learners on the Level 3 Social Sciences programme recently have gained university places this September. We are a membership organisation, and our regional forums across Wales, which include our learners, our members, our partners and volunteers, are a strong feature of our engagement and democratic activities. Such activities promote healthy debate and idea sharing to inform current and future plans. You will hear from some of our learners today, either in person or through their written accounts in the packs available to you. Their stories are reflective of our delivery of excellent teaching and learning and support services. Our partners are also key to their success, and much of our delivery is down to the rich partnership arrangements we have in place, which continue to grow year on year. Turning to our strategic plans and strategic aims and future plans, we have a clear path ahead to build upon our leadership, our governance and our identity. We are prioritising our membership arrangements with renewed energy, and we are working hard to develop provision through the medium of Welsh, as well as establishing ourselves as a national bilingual lead provider of adult community learning across Wales. Our focus is to support employability and skills, health and well-being, community engagement, and through our WEA branches, engagement through cultural activities. We, as an organisation, are operating with greater efficiency and renewed emphasis on planning and delivering curriculum where it is most needed. We are flexible and resourceful, and our workforce has shown great resilience and focus through a significant period of change. We are here today to celebrate our identity, vision, and values. We have a new name. It is well placed to support our national identity and help us to grow and flourish. Most importantly, our new name will help direct future learners, members and partners to easily recognise our brand, which is associated with quality, reliability and democracy, so that we can continue to work collectively as one organisation in the best interests of our learners. I would like to extend my grateful thanks to all of you here today for your support and your contributions.